Hello. Are you searching any information about what does the COC contain? Do you need to understand why the certificate of conformity is requested for the registration of a foreign car? Let's see it together. First of all, the most important data written on the certificate of conformity is the European Type Approval Number. Sometimes it can be called European Homologation Number 2. It is only thanks to this number that the COC certificate can be issued. Why? When the vehicle was homologated and the European Type Approval Number was assigned to it, also the very first COC was filled into the manufacturer's database. The homologation number consists of a series of numbers divided with asterisks and bars. Of course, each digit has its own meaning. The European Type Approval Number always begins with a lowercase e as the initial letter of Europe. The following number defines the member state of the European Union that homologated the vehicle and issued the certificate. After these first two signs follows an asterisk. The second digit refers to the reference directive of the European Union, and divided by the bar follows another digit that indicates the basic number of the approval itself. After this central part follows another asterisk. The last, therefore fourth digit, shows the national approval code. The European homologation number just described will always be indicated on the vehicle's certificate of conformity to confirm its homologation. Obviously, on the COC, there is a lot of other information, and to be more precise, it contains 51 technical points. The information contained in the certificate of conformity varies according to the vehicle, but the most important ones may be, for example, make, model, type of vehicle, variant and version of the car, chassis number, which obviously it is unique for each vehicle and is composed of 17 alphanumeric characters. Then, the category, which confirms if it is a vehicle produced as a standard vehicle for transporting people, or whether it is a van or a motorcycle. There are also manufacturer data, vehicle color, number of seats and emission standards. After that we can also find there the fiscal power, sound level, maximum speed, type of fuel, type of gearbox, and many other vehicle data. The certificate of conformity contains various security signs. They can be different for every car brand, but one of the most frequent safety signs is the special paper with the watermark. It is a type of paper that, if you look at it against the light, contains the manufacturer's logo or his name. The type of paper can be thicker, harder, and a color can be a bit different from the classic white paper. But please note that not all COC certificates must be printed on this special paper, but may contain other safety signs chosen by the brand constructor. If the watermark is not there, it does not in any way affect the originality and validity of the certificate. The COC may also contain the data of the manufacturer, the signature of the person who issued the certificate of conformity, then there can be the safety strips, the logo, the stamp or other signs too. Obviously, in case you have any other question regarding the content of the COC, do not hesitate to ask us here in the comments, or you can contact directly our customer service.